actually a biotechnologist, so I took my bachelor degree in Ferrara and then my master degree in Bologna in medical biotechnologies. Actually, it's like a funny story because I was searching for a job and I'm not particularly into molecular or cellular biology in practical terms. I found this project that is mostly clinical and I applied and they called me. I actually started with a scholarship and then I became the data manager of the METASTRA project after 10 months. So that's how I came involved. I just read about it and I was really interested about it. That's how I became involved. My main focus in METASTRA is the clinical part, so the SERF part. My contribution was to study clinical data of different patients in order to find eligible patients based on inclusion and exclusion criteria of the study. And then I uploaded this data on the dataset on REDCap. This was like my first part of the job, but then the retrospective study. Right now I'm just administering the segmentation part, people that do the segmentation part, and I'm working with Alma DB server in order to upload images and segmentation. In the first part of the study, I was more involved in the research of clinical data for patients. Now in this part, I'm following the segmentation part, but not in a practical way, just in an administrative way, if I can use this term. Actually, it influenced it so much. I always tell this story that we did a workshop with METASTRA in March. And before this workshop, it was really hard to understand how physician and also engineer, mostly engineer, work and talk. We have two different languages, and this experience is like getting me so close to the other categories, scientific categories, because we speak two different languages, and this is a huge opportunity for us to combine these languages for the best purpose of this project. I actually find it very fulfilling, very stimulating. When Samuele told us that we reached the 2,000 patients that we need for the retrospective study, this was like a very nice day of my life, because last July we worked so hard in order to reach 1,000 patients. When in December he told us we have all the patients we need, it was so nice because it was a really important part, and also the segmentation part. Every part is fulfilling for me, but mostly when we reached the 2,000 patients, it was really good. Of course, it is contributing to my career as a scientist. I think mostly in interrelationship situation, because I'm meeting a lot of people from all over Europe with different backgrounds, so engineer or physicist. It's really enriching. It's helping me with English, of course, because it's not my mother language, but also I'm learning how to manage clinical data, which is not that easy, because we are talking about people data from a legal aspect, but also from a practical aspect. I'm learning a lot of things that maybe, even if it's not my road, they will help me for the rest of my life. It's really important what I'm doing.